creative workers using ingenious machines. We know that there are people with a special skill, a product of intense training, but also others have spent hours sleepless thinking about how to create machines that facilitate the work. Although you are not a genius of the technique, well, maybe you need a little skill, but these amazing machines won't leave you alone. Join us to discover until the end of the video. You won't regret it. Tire Spider. Gone are the days of ruining your waist and knees every time you need to fix a tire. This equipment is designed to speed up, simplify, and reduce the time of bending and kneeling in front of each tire while managing the pressure of the tires. Whether you're driving on sand, muddy or soft tracks, the Tire Spider will help you quickly and easily adjust the tire pressure evenly on your vehicle, caravan, or trailer. Designed to operate independently or to be coupled with your vehicle's air compressor, the Tire Spider has 4 main functions. Inflate up to 4 tires simultaneously through an air compressor. Inflate a tire without an air compressor by borrowing air from up to 3 tires. Deflate up to 4 tires simultaneously, and equalize the tire pressure on several tires simultaneously. This equipment allows you to easily scale the tire pressure in any combination of tires through the 4 controllable input valves and the digital pressure gauge. Each kit contains 2 5-meter hoses and 2 8-meter hoses for the easy application on longer wheeled vehicles. Barrel manufacturing. For a master cooper, making barrels to store wine is an art. It all starts with the stave of an oak board, and the difficult part of the process is that each stave is the same as the previous one, so that they match perfectly, and thus homogeneously achieve a barrel. The cooper needs up to 70 staves just for one barrel. One of them can cost up to 5,000 euros depending on the design. The staves are placed inside the ring so that they fit and take the definitive shape of the barrel. Then the staves are hammered to level them out and improve their aesthetic appearance, and are gradually bent so that the wood gives way without breaking. The heat has to be added, and this is achieved by placing a small fire inside. The fire makes the wood expel certain aromas that will later be transmitted to the wine itself. But it all depends on what the client wants, whether he prefers a soft and a fine wine with vanilla aromas or a strong one with aromas similar to coffee. Moreover, through the temperature and the time the barrel is exposed to the fire, the curvature can be controlled. A mixture of flaxseed and rye flour helps to waterproof the barrel, which then lasts longer than the life of the average person. In this case, the tools are not so important, not revolutionary, but the secret is in the raw material. The oak staves that are bought from the last oak chopper in Germany, where the oak logs are still cut by hand, as they were centuries ago. This is the only way to get good staves for barrels. Bending machine. Today's spring clip fasteners and wiring products are manufactured automatically on special machines. This is an automatic bending machine designed specifically to form wire or metal tape elements. The machine uses the stamping method. This equipment is especially in demand in large-scale production, as it provides a very high level of productivity. The operating principle is very simple. The machine is equipped with slides, each of which is equipped with a tool that changes the part into a certain shape. The program that controls it includes sequences of the impact of the tools on a workpiece that lead to the creation of products of different shapes. So all the worker has to do is run the program and then choose which elements he needs to create. The machine performs all the necessary actions itself, and the program knows how much wire is needed to process each product. And when it is time to cut it, the standard number of slides is 8. But there can be more. In 1 minute, this machine can create up to 250 elements, although this amount, of course, depends directly on the complexity of the product. Bender SP1250 Expanded Metal Sheet Machine. The metal, even if it is not very thick, is extremely difficult to handle by hand. Even when tools are used, the operator has to try too hard. That's why companies use specialized lines for production of metal products. These are powerful machines that affect the metal with such great force that it takes the required shape instantly. The resulting mesh is an expanded metal grid. It is used for the production of covers, fences, and containers. Sometimes the mesh serves as reinforcement for the application of a layer of plaster. Sheet metal is used for the manufacture of workpieces and is supplied in the form of a long roll. The equipment extends it by itself and then performs two processing stages: cutting and stretching. When it makes the cut, it creates holes in the surface in a certain sequence. Stretching is a process that turns a flat piece into a hollow piece. Therefore, the result is a bulky finished product. Before rolling, the mesh is processed by a pressure roller for easy transport. This makes it flatter, more rigid, and resistant to deformation. Borhe machines. The Borhe company manufactures more than 50 models of equipment for the production of a wide variety of brushes, as well as for achieving different levels of performance in the production plant. The speed of the machines is amazing. It inserts a precise number of bristles into the holes very quickly. First of all, there is a Jetta model, designed for the production of toothbrushes. It has a capacity of up to 1,000 bristle bundles per minute, which means that 35 brushes are produced per minute. Another interesting model is the automatic Jupiter machine. It is designed for brushes in the shape of a cylinder, disc, or rectangle. Its main feature is a wide range of options, as well as the possibility of drilling and filling holes simultaneously. The latest model is Archimedes, ideal for production. It is particularly large as it produces brushes of any shape. Do you have long hair? We would recommend to you one of them. Vacuum Press Vacuform. It is the first digital desktop thermoforming machine in the world. Today, the Vacuform thermoforming machine is very popular and allows us to admire the incredible production processes. This device is designed to create complex and bulky thermoplastic shapes. The principle of the operation is very simple. The prefabricated part is placed on the platform of the device. Then, the plastic sheet is placed on top. The vacuum module then pumps the air from the space between the plastic sheet and the part. The result is a strong negative pressure that causes the plastic to repeat the texture of the workpiece. This is said to be a tabletop press and is the most curious thing, since similar processes are usually performed using large, powerful industrial machines that cost at least $5,000, while this one cost only $2,000. What do you think of these incredible techniques and machines, and the people who operate them? Do you think you could be one of them? Leave us your opinion in the comment section, and please subscribe to our channel. We upload material very often, and ring the bell to be informed about every video we upload. See you next time.